Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting paper weight and final size because thickness determines how the pad peels. Once done, trim 3/5 sheets to the chosen dimension. Use a straight edge and a sharp blade so edges align. Make a neat stack, then slightly roughen or score the top edge with fine sandpaper to improve glue grip. Clamp the stack flush and make sure edges stay even. This early precision prevents waves and misfeeds later when you apply adhesive. You now focus on adhesive technique because even coverage equals consistent peeling. Once the clamp is secure, place a ruler or mask to contain glue to the top 1/4 inch. Apply a thin, even coat with a brush or small roller. Avoid globbing. Tap off excess on blotting paper and recheck edges. Make sure to place a protective strip between glue and clamp, then cure flat under weight, shorter for repositionable, longer for permanent PVA, so sheets bond correctly without wrinkling. You finish by removing the weight and testing the pad. Lift 3 sheets to check peel and reattach behavior. Once confident, trim any cured glue burrs and square the edges for presentation. Make sure to label and store pads flat in a dry place to preserve adhesion. If sheets stick too much or tear, resand the top edge to remove hardened clumps, apply a thinner coat of adhesive, and allow a full cure before retesting. This simple fix resolves most adhesion problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.